Okay, baby Sam. Are you ready to try some cereal and applesauce? Do you want some cereal? Come on. Invite. You don't like it? Why don't you like it? It's good. In another bite? Aw, come on. It's good stuff. Oh, poor baby. Come on, baby. Gotta try it. Gotta try a little bit. Come on. Come on, baby. Hey. Oh. Okay, let's try some regular applesauce. Okay? This is what we're trying now. We're going to try some regular applesauce to see if we can hold that down. Doesn't make such an ooky face. Okay. Here. I don't like a food. I don't like food. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Come on, baby. One more try. One more. One more. I bet you would eat some ice cream. Come on. It's good for you, honey. It is. It is good. Here, baby. Ooh. She's sticking her tongue out and I can't get the spoon in. Aww. And her spits it out at Mom. You want a cheeseburger? Do you want a cheeseburger? Hey, Boogie. Hey, Boogie. Samantha. Hey. Up here. What are you doing? You don't like your food? You don't. Hey. 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 Hey, hey, hey. Look at Mom. Well, there's our adventure for the day, trying new applesauces and trying applesauce and cereal. And we did not like applesauce and cereal, did we? No, we didn't. Hey, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, that's not bye-bye. Supposed to say bye-bye. Yeah. Supposed to say bye-bye. Okay. Say bye-bye, people. That was bye. Until next time, people.